Hey guys, it's Annie, and today I'm here with a review of this Kinetic Sand set. This is the Ice Cream Treats version, and I'm really intrigued because it just looks so adorable and so much fun. So we're going to open this up and see what we can create. Right out of the box, we have 1 pound of scented Kinetic Sand, and it's in 3 different colors. There's also a sand tray, a sundae cup, a cone mold, a spoon, a scoop, and a waffle cookie press, which is pretty cool. Plus there's 6 other accessories. This has everything that you need to throw an ice cream party, and I can't wait to share this with my kids. By the way, did I mention that these are scented? There's a strawberry one, a chocolate, and a vanilla. I took a good sniff of it and I was really blown away. This smells so yummy. I think it's so clever how they include these cute little confetti pieces and a little spoon. It's really creative, and it's definitely gonna set off their imaginative play, which I really love. This kind of sticks together for easy shaping and cleanup. And here's the best part. It never dries out, so the fun can go on and on for hours. However, I do recommend putting this into some kind of sealed bag after the playtime is done, and that'll help it last even longer. As a parent, my kids, age 3 all the way up to 11, absolutely love Kinetic Sand, and it's a top choice in our household. This magical play sand not only provides endless joy, but also encourages sensory exploration. It helps develop their fine motor skills, and it offers a fun tactile experience, which is great for their development. I also love that this is made of natural sand material, and that this is an activity that finally gets my kids off the devices. I'll call that a mommy win. Finally, the easy vacuum cleanup makes it mommy friendly. It ensures that the fun doesn't end with a great big mess that I just can't stand. Definitely go grab one of these. This is awesome. I highly recommend.